Hey, Matt Sirafice here, your favorite Gainesville, Florida realtor with eXp Realty. Here to show you another new homes community going up out in Hawthorne. It's just east of Gainesville. It's a short drive, but you're going to find lower taxes because it's Putnam County. So stick around. We're going to take a look. We had a chance to tour the new Westlake community. It's a new single-family home development in Hawthorne, the Putnam County side. These homes are thoughtfully crafted to be more than just a place to live. Westlake reflects your lifestyle and values, offers a warm, inclusive community for modern households. This new neighborhood is brokered by Pepin Realty, and the neighborhood is going to feature a wide range of floor plans with configurations designed with care to suit your personal style and needs. Each home combines beauty with functionality with spacious layouts and carefully selected features to elevate your daily living experience. Some of the perks of choosing a home in Westlake include enjoying closing costs up to $10,000 paid, introductory pricing, convenience of location is closer to Gainesville than being out in Newberry. There are financial benefits and lower taxes of Putnam County, and you have a shorter ride to the beach if you enjoy going to out to the beach. Home plans are going to begin around $300,000. If you'd like to tour a home today, give me a call and let's schedule it. So even though it's a dirt road, this is Putnam County. The taxes are going to be a lot lower. And they're supposed to be paving this, but I am not going to promise you that's going to happen anytime soon. It's just a short drive to the main road here, so you only have a short stretch of dirt road.